Alrighty, we got a crate sliding along the floor, right? So we want to know what horizontal force is required to move it at a steady speed. So we got the key here is to draw a really good crate. Oh, that is such a good crate. Here's 35 kilograms. Right. Now remember that the force of gravity on this thing is 35 times 9.81, right? The reaction force, therefore, acting up by the surface, since it's not accelerating up and down, is the same thing, right? Okay, so R, this also equals R. So once you multiply that, that's what R is, right? And then just remember that our formula for force of friction, and this is for kinetic friction, right, is that it always equals the dynamic coefficient of friction times the reaction force, right? So here's your dynamic coefficient of friction, right? They call it kinetic in the book here. That's what I'm more familiar with anyway. You're going to plug that in there. You're going to plug this in for there. You should get a number that's about 100, right? And then, you know, if the dynamic coefficient is 0, then of course, if that's 0, then the force of friction would be 0.